Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your ACER Chromebook 315. First of all, open the control center on your laptop by clicking this icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then open the Bluetooth menu, make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on, and then click Pair New Device. After that, make sure that your device is in pairing mode. I cannot tell you exactly how to put your device into pairing mode, but most devices will start blinking rapidly, just like this headset, when they are in the pairing mode. If you need some guidance on how to put your device into pairing mode, I recommend checking the manual to it. Once your device is in pairing mode, you'll be able to see it on the available devices list. So just click on your device to pair to it, and right now your Bluetooth device is paired. If you want to unpair it, you have to click on it in your Bluetooth menu and then select disconnect to disconnect from it, and forget to remove it from your devices list. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.